Namaste everyone. In this tutorial I would like to discuss two important formulas, small and large. Suppose that you are given a list like this, an array. From this array you wish to know the second smallest number, the third smallest number, like that. And in that case you can be utilizing this formula small. Similarly, you can understand for large. Suppose you wish to know fourth, fifth or sixth largest number from this list. You can see, let me give you an example. You can clearly see it is visible that 21 is the smallest number. It is the first smallest number. And you can see the second smallest number will be 22. Then I think third will be 28, like that. Okay, so this formula is going to help you a lot in doing this task. Now, equal to small. And for array, you can select this one. And let us say we wish to know the third smallest number from this array. So you got the answer 28. You can cross check. Now similarly, if you wish to know the third largest number, okay, select this one again. And k is the index that will provide you the rank of the number you want. The third, the fourth largest number. It will provide you the rank. Okay. Now you can see it is 47. 47 is the number which you will be getting as a result. Now, let us solve a simple problem. I hope you understood the basic concept of these two formulas. With the help of these two formulas, let us solve a simple problem. We have to make a list that is in ascending order. That means we are going to convert this array into another array which is in ascending order. Okay. So, let us start typing small. This is the array. And guys, I am going to fix this array with the help of functional key F4. By pressing F4, you can see the dollar subscript. So this is fixed. And now let us move on to find the rank, that is k. I want it like this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. They should be in ascending order, that is 1, first, second, third, like that. Okay. So how could I do that? How could I make it dynamic? I would be using rows function. Rows. So first of all, let me tell you what the rows stand for. Okay, it is asking me array. First of all, select this one, the starting point. Press F4 because you have to fix this out. And I will explain you later on why. Then put colon and then select this one again. So first of all, let me explain you the meaning of this one. You can see it is the array from B4 to B4. That means it includes only one number of rows. That means it is including only one row here. Fine. And why I am fixing this? Because when I will drag this formula down, I want this first one, this first row should be fixed on, and when this rectangle move downward, it will stretch along the column and then it will count the total number of rows. Suppose when it comes here, it will count two rows for you, 55 and 21. These two include two rows, so it will provide you rank 2 here. And when it will come here, it will provide you 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, in this way, this formula will proceed on and you will get your result. So let us execute this. So you can see the answer 21 for first one, and then I will drag it down. So you can see the answer. This array list have been converted into ascending order list. Fine. So let us examine how this formula is working. Let me come to 28 and press F2. Now you can see, guys, this is fixed because this whole array is fixed in the blue rectangle. And for rows, you can see I have nailed the first of this cell, that is B4, from here. And when I stretched the filler handle like this, and it stretched up to B6, from B4 to B6, you can count how many number of rows are here, 1, 2 and 3. So this will provide you the index 3, the third rank. So it will be asking you in shortly the third smallest number from this list. Okay, so if you want to check, you can select this one, this quotient, and press F9. I am pressing F9 function key, and you can see we got the answer 3. It will execute the answer 3. Control Z, bring it back into the same position. And I hope you understood how the formula is working. Let us check it for 47. Let us say here F2. You can see the same array because I have fixed that array. Now you can see the red rectangle. It's stretched from now B4 to B10. So you can see this is dynamic. This part of the array is dynamic, and the rows function will count the number of rows present in this array. Okay, so it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will provide you the index 7, and you can check it from here if you want by pressing F9 key. Here it is. Now Control Z in same position. And I hope you understood how the formula is working, and the similar procedure you are going to apply for the descending order. Now here I would be using large function, and this array you can now fix it with the help of F4, because if you will not fix it, it will keep on moving and you will get an error. Now comma for indexing, the same procedure, rows, got it. And I will select this one, F4, we need to put the colon sign and then select this one again, because we have to start from here itself, and it will be dynamic in the similar way. Oh sorry, I forgot to put the braces. I forgot to close the parenthesis. Okay, now you can see guys, the first largest number is 85. You can cross check from here also, because it is in ascending order. Now drag it down, you will get your result. You can see this is the list which is reverse of this one. So I hope you understood the concept of these two formulas, and we are going to solve many number of problems in the next coming videos. So if you are liking my channel content, then do appreciate me with a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I would be sharing more knowledgeable videos like this for you. Thank you and have a nice day.